Hi, I'm the Miraculous Minotaur, and what you have just witnessed is me turning a battery bank into a battery charger. So these are fairly common batteries. They go into a lot of things. You can have them in remote cars. Vapes usually work on similar things if you're using the modern ones. And yeah, it was exactly as easy as it looked. Some cardboard, some tape, some aluminum foil. The important thing is to notice that your batteries are at a similar voltage. Otherwise, you might run into problems like okay, is this? Yeah, it's okay. So otherwise, you might run into problems as to quick charging these batteries. So if I were to add these ones, which I confirmed in the middle are actually full batteries, into there, they would also discharge into those batteries, and that would be a lot of current moving, something would catch fire and so on. But yeah, this is an easy charger to make. You have to be really careful with it. Everything you do is up to you, but a fairly easy charger from a battery bank. If you wonder where I got the circuit, it's from Battery Bank. You can look at my previous videos to see where and how I got it from. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.